Welcome. I'm Bob Smith. I'm your candidate for Virginia delegate for District 33. If you live in Shenandoah County or Page County, you're in District 33, or the southern part of Warren County and the northern county precincts in Rockingham County, you're in District 33. I'm proud to introduce my campaign manager here, Mr. Barrett.
I am honored to be part of this campaign. I believe at bottom of my heart that Bob is the best candidate for Virginia. He stands for democracy, human rights, and social justice. I also believe Bob understands the local issues that affects you and your family. Please vote for Bob Smith, and please remember our veterans.
And to remember our veterans for this Memorial Day weekend, I'm asking you to be there Monday morning, the 29th of May, at one of the posts, the American Legion Post 199 in Woodstock, or perhaps the Veterans of Foreign Wars Post 2447 in Edinburgh, or at any other veteran organization that may be having a ceremony to honor our war dead. As you can see, this is a symbol of the Vietnamese flag. I was a Vietnam veteran, and for decades I've been honoring not only Americans that have died in the defense of democracy, but the Vietnamese that have done the same. And I also am very much involved with trying to honor other veterans all the way around from other conflicts where they fight for democracy. But I want you to attend that meeting, and while you're there, I want you to look around, because what I've seen is a lot of people that are non-veterans do not go to these ceremonies. You look around and you see the veteran, you'll see the veteran's family, but the non-veterans just kind of omit going to these ceremonies. You're missing so much. You're missing the feeling of the courageousness that these heroes gave for our country. You're living and experiencing freedoms that were fought for by these individuals. Please give them honor and give them respect and attend a ceremony and support our veterans. I'm not asking for any money for this campaign right now. I'm only saying, please take your donations to a veterans organization and make sure that you help our veterans who are so much in need. And thank you very much.
Thank you.